In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make between $100 and $200 every single day with CPA marketing. And I'm going to show you how to get guaranteed United States leads every single day. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can enroll for this CPA course and start making passive income every single day with CPA marketing. So going back to this video, I'm going to refresh this page real quick. For those who might be thinking this is a fake earnings or fake screenshot right here, I'm going to refresh it one more time so that you can see right here that everything is absolutely legit. And this account right here has generated over $20,000, and as you can see right here, over $19,000 has been paid and over $2,000 is currently pending for payment. Okay, so what you want to do is absolutely simple, and we are going to be using the festive niche in this video. And the reason why you want to use the festive niche is because it's currently trending, it's getting a lot of traffic, and if it's getting a lot of traffic, you are going to make a lot of money. All right, so now if you go over to Google and you type in Halloween as an example right here, so if you scroll down, you can see that Halloween is basically an holiday in the United States that is being celebrated every 31st of October every year. Okay, you want to go over to this website called trend.pinterest.com. All right, so basically, for those who don't know what this is a Pinterest tool that allows you to research keywords on Pinterest. Okay, so if I type in Halloween right here, all right, as you can see, this is the Halloween keyword right here. Okay, you can see the search over time. Like I told you, it's a festive keyword. You can see the last time it got a spike was October 2021. You can see after October, this keyword died again, and now you can see it's going back up again. As you can see right here, over 90 score right here. As you can see, 5th of October 2022 right here, which tells you that this keyword is absolutely getting a lot of traffic right now. Okay, and if it's getting a lot of traffic, we need to monetize it and make money off this traffic. So you want to now go back to your CPA Grip account to create a content locker for this niche. All right, so you want to make sure you come over to this URL file lockers right here. So once you come over here, you want to click on this create new locker. You want to agree to terms of service and click on continue. So the first thing you want to do right here, you want to give the locker a name, and you want to give it a name something like Halloween right here. And then you want to come over to this CSS section right here, and you want to come over to this page right here. I'm going to leave a link to this page in the description. So you want to copy this section right here from body, and you want to copy it down to this section. So after copying this, you want to highlight this right here. You want to erase this, and you want to paste the code you just copied. Then you want to go over to the HTML section as well. You want to highlight the whole of this, okay, and you want to erase this, and then you want to go back to this page, and you want to come back to this page right here, and you want to copy the HTML code. You want to scroll to the very bottom, and you want to copy the code and paste it right here. So after doing that, you want to click on this refresh right here. So once you click on that, as you can see right here, this is a t-shirt right here, and like I said, a lot of people are currently interested in this keyword Halloween right now. Why not monetize this trend and make money? Okay, so now basically you are going to be creating a contest on CPA Grip right here for people to get a chance to win a t-shirt, and this is up to you. You can decide to give these people this t-shirt if you want, and you can decide not to give this t-shirt if you want. It's absolutely up to you. All right, so the next step now, you may be wondering, how do you get this t-shirt right here? So all you just need to do is to go over to a website called redbubble.com, and you want to type in Halloween in the search bar right here. And if you type Halloween, you are going to see a lot of t-shirts that is being sold on redbubble.com. You can see this one goes for $19.26. So basically you can purchase this t-shirt and give it to one lucky person who completes your content locker. All right, so if you scroll down, you are going to see a lot of t-shirts you can use right here to create a content locker. You can see this one was the one I used in the example right here. So if I click on this t-shirt right here, you can see this is the exact one that I used right here. All right, so to copy image of any t-shirt, all you just need to do is to right click on the image, and you want to click on copy image address. So once you do that, you want to go back to your CPA Grip account, and once you come back to your account, you want to highlight from this section that says HTTPS. and you want to highlight to where it says JPG, and you want to paste the image address you just copied, and you want to click on refresh. So once you do that, you can see this new image just appeared right here. So basically, this is all you need to do to create your content locker on CPA Grip. And once you're done, all you just need to do is to click on save right here. Once you click on the get link section, you want to copy the link to that content locker. All right. And you want to scroll up right here, and you want to use one of this new domain right here. Okay. So I'm going to take this one right here as an example. So all you just need to do is copy this domain name right here, and you want to go over to this website. And now you may be wondering, why don't you create a landing page? And that is because it's not necessary you create a landing page for this method right here. So all you just need to do is to shorten this content locker link right here, and you want to click on shorten. So the next thing now is to basically create a Pinterest account, and I believe everybody knows how to do this. All you just need to do is to go over to pinterest.com, and you are going to see a sign up button somewhere around the page. So once you create your account, you want to come over to this section right here, and you want to click on create pin. So once you do that, you want to go back to Redbubble. So once you do that, all you just need to do is to upload the design right here. So all you just need to do from here is to upload the design. All right. So basically, once you upload the design, and to find the design, all you need to do is to come over to the page of this product right here, and you can find the design right here. So after uploading this design, you want to write something simple like Halloween giveaway contest, join us. So basically, this is just to get people curiosity and make them feel curious and want to click on this image right here. So once they click on this image, they are going to see this section that says we are giving away cool Halloween t-shirts to 10 lucky winners. First come, first serve basis applies. And you want to tell them to comment done under this post, because once they comment done, then you are going to know people who actually completed the content locker. Okay, so basically that way you can select anyone from the comments and you can send them the t-shirts. Okay, so basically it's that simple. All you just need to do is to purchase this t-shirt right here, and you can send the t-shirt to any of the winners of your choice. All right, so basically once you do this, for the destination link, all you just need to do is to copy this link right here, and you want to paste in this shortened link right here. All right, so once you do that, now you want to create a board. You want to click on this, and you want to click on create board, and you want to type in Halloween giveaways right here, and you want to click on create. So once you do that, all you need to do is click on save. And now, as you can see right here, your pin has successfully been posted to Pinterest. All right, so now you can do this for as many designs as you find on Redbubble and make money in passive income promoting on Pinterest. All right, another traffic source you can use is Twitter. So basically, if you go over to Twitter and you type something like Halloween right here, you are going to see a lot of posts regarding Halloween on Twitter. So basically, you want to come to Pinterest and you want to share this pin right here. You want to copy the link to this pin, and you want to go over to Twitter. As you can see, this is a post right here asking people to choose who to protect them right here. All you just need to do is to come over to the comment section right here, and you are going to see a lot of people who are talking about Halloween related stuff right here. And all you just need to do is to leave a comment like this right here: Halloween giveaway for 10 people. All right, and all you just need to do is to reply on this trend right here. And keep in mind, all these people who have commented on this tweet right here, they are going to see this reply right here, and some of them will definitely click on this link and they will be brought to Pinterest. And once they come over to Pinterest and once they click on the link, they will be taken to your content locker. It's that simple. So basically, you can repeat this same process like I said with as many t-shirts as you find. And that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.